Okay, this is a video on proportions. This is just to help you out for those that are struggling with the proportions. A car travels 120 miles in 3 hours. This is our ratio. You're going to draw your proportion box and use your labels. Our two labels are miles and hours. So miles, hours. It is 120 miles in 3 hours. And they are going to go at a constant speed. How far would it take to travel 200 miles? So this is our other information we have. Remember, all the way across the top is going to be miles. All the way across the bottom is going to be hours. So now we have 200 miles. 120 cannot go to 200. So we're going to have to take and simplify this. So meaning we're going to have to create a different proportion box with our different numbers. We're going to simplify 120 over 3. We can divide both of those by 3. So 120 over 3, divide both by 3, because we're simplifying. 120 divided by 3 is 40. 3 divided by 3 is 1. So it is 40 miles. 40 miles in 1 hour. Now we can fill in our other box to find 200 miles. 200 miles. 40 times what is 200? Times 5. 40 times 5 is 200. If you multiply 5 at the top, you have to multiply 5 at the bottom. 1 times 5 is 5. So the answer is 5 hours. In 200 miles, it will take 5 hours. Okay, now we're going to go on to the third one. It takes Mike 18 minutes to read 4 pages. So we'll talk about minutes and pages. Minutes, pages. "18 minutes, 4 pages. We want to know how long it takes to read 30 pages. So I'm going to put my 30 right here. Because we have pages, pages, pages. How does 4 go to 30? Four cannot go to 30, so we're going to simplify. Still have minutes and pages. I'm going to divide 18 and 4 by 2. So I'm going to get 9, because 18 divided by 2 is 9. 4 divided by 2 is 2. I simplified this part of the ratio so I can work easier with 30. Now, how does 2 go to 30? Times 15. So if I multiply 15 here, I have to multiply 15 here. So 15 times 9 9 times 5 is 45. Carry my 4, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So 135 will go here. So that is 135 minutes. This is one of the problems we worked on the other day in class. Della earns $240 for working 6 days. So we're talking about money and days. This is my proportion box. $240, 6 days. And we want to know for 10 days. Well, 6 cannot go to 10. So again, we have to take this part and we have to simplify it. We're still going to have money and days. But when we simplify 240 and 6, we can divide both of those by 6. 240 divided by 6 is 40. 6 divided by 6 is 1. So we just divide 240 by 6 and 6 by 6 to get 40 over 1. Now we are still talking about 10 days. So 10 days. How does 1 go to 10? Times 10. How does 40 go to 10? 40. If we multiply by 10 here, we have to multiply by 10 here. 40 times 10 is 400. So he earns $400 in 10 days.